When modeling in InterCalc 3D, it's common to want to apply point forces or point moments to individual members in the model. So we have a tool called point loads that's just for that purpose. To demonstrate this, the first thing I want to do is show that this model is pre-populated with some existing load cases. Those will be useful for storing these new load items that we're going to create. Then what I'll do is use the line select tool, and I'll select the members that are to receive the new point loads. And then I'll come to the draw loads button and down to point loads. The point load dialog allows us to choose the load case to store the new load items. In this case, I'm going to apply some vertical loads, so let's assume that they're dead loads. Then we can choose the coordinate axis system and the direction that we want the new load to be applied in. So I'll choose global, and since they're gravity loads, I'll leave it set to Y, and I'll enter a negative value, in this case 1 kip. The distance field allows us to enter a decimal, like apply it at 1/4 of the length from the starting end. But it also allows this kind of syntax, 3 at 0.25, for instance. So if I do something like this, then this will apply 3 loads at the quarter points of this magnitude in this direction in this load case. So I'll click apply, and now we can see that we've got some loads out there. If I go to graphic scales and adjust the point force scale just a little bit, we can see those loads a little more clearly. The other thing that we can do is go to tables and then over to point loads, and here we have a table of all of the point loads applied in the current model for the selected load case. So I just put mine in the dead load case, and here we can see the member, the coordinate system that was used to define the direction of the load, the specified direction, magnitude, and location. And these are all live, so we could change one of these, for instance, and then say OK. And out here we can see that we have a little bit of a change to the orientation of that one load. So that's how tables can be used to modify point load data in the model.